All right, you want your battery to last a long time. One setting can help your battery last up to 47% longer in between charges. Check this out. All right, and watch to the end because I've got 2 bonus tips that will help your battery last for years. All right, most people don't know, but you can jump into your settings. You can go into your display and right here, dark mode. Touch dark mode. Now, the old technology called LCD didn't allow this, but the newer, most modern Samsung phones have what's called an AMOLED screen. An AMOLED screen turns off every pixel that is 100% black. So when you when you turn on the dark mode, you're going to save a ton of battery. In some instances, you can save up to 47%. Now, something that will make your battery last even longer, in dark mode, even turn your brightness down a lot, and that will save even more battery. So try that and leave in the comments if your battery lasts way longer, if you can go days without charging. All right, here's 2 bonus tips. All right, the number one thing that kills battery is heat and leaving the charger plugged in a lot. So let me show you what happens to a battery that's been just always plugged in, always left charged at 100%. The chemistry starts to decompose inside the battery. It will start to split a little bit, and then eventually it won't even stay charged very long, and eventually won't even power on. So always unplug your charger. You can even unplug it a little early if you see your battery level get to, let's turn on battery level in here. It's notification, and go to status bar, and then show battery percent right there. And even though my screen's broken, we can see we're at 63%. So the point is that you just look at your percent, and your battery will last years and years and years if you unplug it at like 80, 85, 90%. Never let it get to 100. All right, next step is, all right, let's go back here where I was in battery settings. Scroll all the way here inside settings, device care, and battery. And you right here, power mode. Power mode, read the difference between each of these. It's running at optimized right now, balance of performance and battery life. But if you need maximum battery life, you can always choose that. And here it will limit your CPU usage. And see, turn your brightness down, and it will help your battery not only last from charge to charge, but extend the life of your battery so that your phone lasts for years. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe to make your phone run even faster. Watch this video next.